Professor, I will present to you my third practical work, School Management Dashboard. It's about how we add student, teacher, and courses, and the relation between them. First of all, I will add a new teacher. This is the list when I put them before of the teacher. I will add a teacher ID, for example, 1113. The last name is, for example, the SPS, the name, and the web, for example. The save teacher, yes, teacher saved successfully. It has been recorded in the list, yes. So we can edit, for example, this teacher. We put in the name add, for example, update teacher, yes, teacher saved successfully. We have this button for return to the main page. And now we add a new student. We have the list when I put them before. We put student ID 2224. For example, the name and the first name, that of the birth, and the address. Save student, yes, student saved successfully too. And we have this button delete, student delete successfully. We register again. And then we return to the main page and we add a new course. So I will, yes, this is the list of when I put them before. I will add the course ID, for example, 323, the course name, web, description, for example, creating 5, for example, teacher, and we add the teacher ID, save the courses, and yeah, the course saved successfully. It has been recorded in the list. Return to the main page. Yes. And we have here the PHP My Admin. Go to the teacher, we have this list, we put there before, teacher, and we have the student and the course, yes. It's all about them, it's registered in the PHP My Admin. Now we have registration management. When we add a new registration, it's about how we do the relation between student and the teacher and the course. We have here a registration ID, for example, date, for example, grade is 5, for example, student ID, when we add them before, it's 2224, course ID, this course web 333, register, okay. Now I want to change the grade for this example, so I use edit, and I will change 5, for example 14, update, successfully, okay. We return to the main page. Now I want to see how was it designed this school. So I go to the database, Cheetah School, and we have this button, designer. Yes, this is the structure of the school. We have this query operation. It's about when we find the courses by a specific teacher. So you should of this teacher, it has been recorded in the list. We enter the teacher code or ID 111 get courses. It means that the professor is or the teacher is registered in this course. And when I want to see the grade of some courses, I should be put courses ID, for example 3322. So yes, this is the grade of, and this button is about when I want to see the number of students in the course. For example, in the course sheet we have 2 students, and the course test we have also 2 students, and where we have just 1 student. Use the code of the PHP. We have host where we put the address of the server. We have also DB name, it's the name of the database, and the username and the password that I use to make a button. We have in student management, add the button add the new student, the button of add new teacher, the button of add the new registration, and the button of add new courses. And we have also the query operation. We have another button about this query operation. We have teacher3.php. We use HTML code and the PHP code. This code is about how we create form, how we create the teacher ID, how we create the where we put the ID. We have here how we save to the database, and we use the SQL code. And we have this equal for send message. For example, here teacher saved successfully. We have here how to display all the teacher. We use also SQL and the STMT. We use if here of STMT equal list of teacher equal to table border. How we create the table of the list of teacher. Here how we delete from the database. It's how we delete the teacher from the database. We use SQL, delete form, and CMT is going to prepare SQL. So in the last we use equal teacher delete successfully. For example, student3.php, we use the HTML and PHP, and here it's about how we constructor for the student class. And this is the method of create a form for adding or updating a student. We use echo student, update student, and add student. And it's how we save student information to the database. We use SQL code. It's about update student, and it's how to save it. And here we have a method of to display the list of students from the database. We use SQL and STMT equal list of students equal table border the student ID, th name, th. We have here how we delete the student from the database, and if we could get a student by the ID for updating. And now we move on to course tree with PHP. We use HTML and of course PHP and so on. How we include the database connected. Yes, we have here display the form for adding and updating a course. It's how we check if the teacher exists in the teacher table, and how we insert the teacher if it doesn't exist. We have also process that answer the course. Yes, we use this book. If we don't have, we echo error. So here we have the method to answer the teacher if it doesn't exist. Check if the teacher exists by the ID in the query. And updating an existing courses in the database. Yes, we use how we delete a course from the database, and how we get a course by ID from the database. We use select from course, display all courses. How we update the courses if update we have registration tree with PHP. It's about how we constructor to instance the class with data. The method to create the form for adding and updating registration. We want to save registration information to the database. It's about how related about the courses and students and the courses and students and teachers. How we insert a new registration. We use SQL. Yes. If we're done, we echo registration successfully saved. And this is method to display all registration form. Yes. And we have the method to delete registration from the database. We have the handle from summation. It's about how we submit the registration, the ID, and the ID of the course and the ID of the teacher. And we have process query.php. We use the PHP code. It's about how we display error. Include the database connection. It's a function to get students in specific course. It's a function to get courses by a specific teacher. And we have also how we calculate the grade from a specific course. How we get the total number of students in the course. And it's from some summation handling. Then we use the course ID and teacher ID. It's a list of courses by a specific teacher. How we calculate grade from a specific course, and how we display the total number of students in the course. And yes, it's all code. We use it from this school. So thank you for watching.